Slow. So it's just the passenger side of the exhaust gasket. Give it another pump. Yep. Yep. I can see it clear and plain. Stay.
So I can shut this off now?
Yep.